Hello everyone and welcome back to a new video. In this video, I'm gonna show you guys how you can earn Pandabuy points. So if you guys want to learn how to do it, just follow the steps that I'm gonna show you. As you can see guys, I'm right now in pandabuy.com. So this is how the homepage looks like. So the first thing that you need to do guys is go to the top right corner and click on your profile. Once you click on your profile, in this list, you're going to find the user center, order, warehouse, for sale, wallet, and lastly, logout. Go ahead and click on your user center, and right here in the user center, you're going to find your balance, your Pandabuy points, coupons, growth value, the top up, and lastly, withdraw option. So under Pandabuy points, you're going to find how much points you have. And if you guys want to go to the section of the Pandabuy points, go right here to the left side of your screen and then scroll down until you find my points. Go ahead and click on it, and right here you're gonna find how much points you have. As you can see guys, I have 0 points. Under it, you're gonna find the point redemption dismount. So the maximum points that you can redeem is 500,000. And lastly, right here, you're gonna find the Pandabuy point redeem option. As you can see guys, right here, I found a guide where they perfectly explained what are Pandabuy points and how can I use them. Pandabuy points are a reward system on pandabuy.com. You get 1 point for 1 CNY spent on international shipping. You can then spend your points on items on cnfair.com. That is the page for Pandabuy's warehouse sale. Here's how it works. Have a look around and find an item you like. Click copy the redeem code. Open pandabuy.com/person/points. And lastly, click Pandabuy points redeem and paste the code. So this is it guys for today's video. Thank you guys for watching. See you guys in the next video.